Mukbang tayo, guys. Noodles. Spicy noodles. Sige, tikman mo. Hindi pa. Kanina agad. Taro? Sili, oh. Sili, oh. Hindi po. Hindi pa. Mukbang, guys. Thanks, so. Ay, mukbang. Bisa galaway.
This has potential to be the winner, not gonna lie. I'm setting this up in the backyard. We'll wait to see if we get any more activity. The thing is that if you get stung or bit by a bug, it can suck the venom out instantly. Effectively reversing the bite altogether. Bams on this thing has a video of a bee stinging somebody. Ooh. Go back for that guy. Mosquitoes are my day today. Don't try this. My plan is simple. I'm sitting outside at peak mosquito hours. It's humid, it's hot, and almost immediately a mosquito landed on my hand. Oh, yep, there it goes. Alright, so I just got bit by a mosquito on my thumb. Now I'm gonna suck out all this stuff. Well, I guess he took my blood.
Tired of enjoying your order of burgers inside car comfortably? Are you still working inside your car the wrong way? Well, do we have a solution for you? Calling this a desk is a stretch, and I'm little. Like, I'm not that big of a person. Look at the lady in this listing. I mean, my goodness, that laptop is the size of a Nintendo Switch. What are we doing here? And look at her schedule. That thing is packed. My plan to test this is simple. Step 1, I'm driving to Sonic. Step 2, order a combo meal with a giant sweet tea. It's important. And step 3, wait for it to arrive.
Pero mas masarap siya, guys, pagka ginanito.
She said, have a great night, and I said, awesome year. I can't do anything. This is extremely concerning. Okay, I'm gonna have to put the drink in the middle.
Ang sarap.
Oh my gosh, no.
Sobrang anghang.
If there's one thing I've been needing my entire life, it's a portable neck band. If this works, I might have to keep this one. Especially because I could be swimming with my boy Alfred. He wasn't that impressed. Let's try it out.
Sarap.
I will be walking a mile in my city. It is currently 100 degrees outside. For every drop of sweat I have beating down my face, my review will lose a star. Okay, just got done walking. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a very small amount of air coming out of this.
Wala tubigan.
I'm with Alfred on this one.
Tayo mo lang sa banyo, may puputokan.
Sarap. Magpawisan ako.
Tayo mo lang mamaya, may maririnig ako sa banyo, may pumuputok.
Kasi natatae. Pinananalangan niya matae kasi ang anghang.
2 items, 1 test. You can probably guess what's going on. We have a thermal camera.
I don't know anything.
Why are you trying to fart?
Kung sa guys, mo lang, papaisip ko siya ng tayo. Ayaw mo naman ito na tayo na
And this one? That's a win.
May maririnig sa banyo.
Ay, suwabe.
Sabi mo, hindi ka mabigat.
This one is actually pretty tricky. I know the arrows are actually dangerous. There's a little laser pointer on it. Oh, okay, I'm gonna try to shoot it. Oh, maybe this could be an opportunity for some subtle.
Wala na din ako.
Wasted. Oh, it actually went to the wall. That's great. The hype video on this listing is pretty much all you need to see to know this is a home run gift for dad, mom, and boys. Oh, look at this stuff. That is a fun